2018. What year did it say?
2008. 10 years.
What is wrong with me?
We're all 10 years younger.
You know what? Woo! Hey everybody, Coloring Book Dog here, and oh my god, what a year it's been. First of all, I want to thank all, I think like 315 subscribers. We made it up to 315 this year. I mean, that's insane. I couldn't keep making these videos without you. I mean, I could, but wouldn't really have a lot of motivation to do it because I like entertaining. I have a lot of plans for next year, so be sure to stick around. Be sure to share this channel with other people. 2018 was pretty awesome. I got to go to a bunch of different conventions, and I got to host service dog panels at every convention I went to this year, which is really, really cool. I hope to do more with that in the future. That's kind of one of my ideas for next year. But we'll continue with the interviews, and we'll continue with Audcade and all like kind of the random fun live streams and things I do. So if you're new to the channel, stick around and watch this video because it's a pretty good indication of what you're going to find on this channel. And if you're already a subscriber, go ahead and watch and enjoy the crazy memories from 2018. And I hope you're having a great day, but if not, I hope this makes it a little bit better. I'm Coloring Book Dog, and this was 2018.
Or we could just start crashing other cons now.
Oh my god, like, I don't know if you've ever done that. Have you done that?
Well, we could have at Aquatifer when they were doing the chiropractic
the chiropractors
convention at the same time.
Yep. I'm trying to think of like
no practicing in the halls. I remember those signs.
Did it really say that? Oh,
Yep.
I must have missed that. I would have taken a picture of that like so quickly. Like that would have been so funny. Oh my god, that's so funny. That's awesome. No practicing in the hall.
Like they say we're weird. What's going on with the chiropractic convention?
We have the signs that say no fursuiting beyond this point, and they have the signs that say no practicing in the hallway.
Beyond this point.
Man, all the conventions have their own like weird quirks about things. Like that is so funny. Oh my god. I did not see those signs. I'm so mad that I didn't see those signs.
God, we were laughing like a bunch of dorks.
Just not working. Now, we'll have to really put my editing skills to the test, or at least Vince's editing skills to the test. I don't know, man.
What else can we throw in right now to make him do work?
Oh, man.
Lots of ninjas.
Yeah. Yeah, definitely, like, have two ninjas on, like, either side of us, just the whole time. Fun fact about Oxide, as nice as he is, he also exists to make my life a living hell sometimes. Like, trying to show his skin in his fursuit while he's on camera. And, yeah.
Ruining the magic.
Also,
gasp, that bastard.
Also trying to put a Sox hat on my ears.
You Cubs fans.
See, we'll put that picture there too.
Yeah, right there.
But yeah, we'll put this picture right here. We'll actually like put it like up here, like
Can the ninjas be holding
center. The ninjas will be holding this picture. Oh man, Vince hates us now.
God, we're assholes.
Yeah, we're
I blame you.
fucking,
I'm just following your lead.
Oh my god.
Just watching, don't forget to share this around for those who aren't at
Hey everybody who is watching, I've got 4 watchers right now. That's pretty awesome.
Watch Coloring Book Dog too?
Yeah, watch Coloring Book Dog too. You guys, if you're tired of his stream, just go over to my stream, and it's a slightly different angle. So yeah, we got Ascari here. He's streaming too. We're gonna have slightly different angles. Hey, Satan, can you continue live streaming for me?
Oh, yes, I can.
Hold on just a second.
It dropped a ball before you even pushed the button. I don't know what happened. Now it's 400. Now it's 400. Yeah, I got the jackpot apparently. I have no idea.
Thank you. When I first started coming here, I'm pretty sure the actual Renaissance was going on. That's how old I am. But yeah, I've been coming here. My grandparents used to take me here when I was a kid, and I've tried to make it to Bristol every year, even the years that I lived in Arizona.
What I really need is like a card caddy. Just go get my con badge.
Yeah, go get my con badge, please.
Here's $20. Go wait in line.
That would be nice, except they, you need your ID to check in.
Yeah, that's always the issue. It's like I can't just give him my driver's license, give him $20, and have him go on his way.
Do you know what I check in with? My medical marijuana card.
Hey.
Because it has to be a government-issued ID with your birthday and picture on it.
I mean...
That's got all of them. I was told by a staff member at Con that was perfectly acceptable. And I've done it, because I had a card in AZ and now I have one here. I've done it, 5 or 6 times.
That's gotta be fun.
Yeah. And they're always like...
They probably, that moment that they're looking at, they have a slight twinge of jealousy.
Well, one guy actually said that. He's like, I'm so jealous that you live in a state that actually allows something like this.
Yeah.
Can we break 1,000?
Hey.
Hold on.
Oh, come on!
Oh my god! So for my drop bonus balls, I got just under 1,000 tickets. Literally just under 1,000. So let's swipe. We got $9.99 added to the card, and we got a total of $22.41. I'd say that's pretty good.
So yeah, any other questions?
You did it for that meme.
I did it through a meme of all things, so people didn't believe me, and I've clickbaited so many videos of me saying I'm gonna get a suit. Like April
unboxing the first.
April 1st was the worst clickbait I ever did. I filmed a really quick video on my phone, did a really crappy thumbnail, and got a box behind me, and it was 40 seconds. And it was first suit unboxing, and everyone showed up to it, and I got so many DMs of people like, you're a cool bitch. That wasn't funny. Everyone's like, oh my god! And at a certain point, I was like, wow, people are not going to believe me when I actually get it. They're going to click on the video and be like, oh, another clip? Oh shit, you actually got one. That is literally what it's going to be like. There's a lot of people right now who don't believe me. Who are like, no, you're not going to have one by NFF. They're going to see it and be like, oh, he wasn't wrong.
Ascari, would you care to commentate on a little bit more details about your suit, or is that kind of classified at the moment?
It's his persona.
He's gonna be a sassy bitch.
What?
Be a sassy bitch.
He is gonna be a sassy bitch too.
So, yeah. But really, that's all the details I have at the moment.
I haven't started it yet. I mean, probably right after this con.
This is my suit maker, by the way.
Oh, there it is. See, I was gonna ask who's making it.
Yeah, I'm
Looks like
making it.
Senjay is gonna.
And if you want to see what my suits look like, go subscribe to my channel because that's the one suit. Yeah, like
because you made a lot of your suits.
yeah. No, I actually found an old folder of when me and my husband used to make suits together, and there was over 40 of them, at least. We took like a 5-year break. I made a suit for Desta, and then I made a suit for myself. And the suit that I made for myself is probably your best bet for what his will look like, except him.
Again,
Nice.
you're right there!
Shameless.
Right!
What is he asking?
He's just like, he's giving details of what he knows, like partial, this.
Yes,
that,
you with
this.
the hands and the face.
Yeah, partial is hands, face, feet, tail. Yeah. No sleeves. All right, so we are at Indy FurCon, and guess what? Fire alarm is going off. Yay. Right after a roast, which is really, really, really ironic.
That is very well timed.
The burn was so bad that the fire alarm went off.
And Des will never leave this down.
No, he won't.
Morning, YouTube. 7:40ish in the morning, and we're at Indy FurCon again. And the fire alarm is going off again. I went to bed at 3:30 in the morning, and 7:45 in the morning. So we're leaving again. No.
Are we live streaming now?
We are live streaming the fire alarm.
Oh, don't.
We're live streaming.
I'm making this easier for you. Come on.
Were you at Who's Line?
It's entertaining, right?
It is entertaining. Yeah, look, and now we got dancing going on in the background. This is amazing.
Crank that. Crank it. Come on, circus music. Sing it louder.
Look at this.
Oh!
Juggles his pins almost as well as Dragger juggles his balls.
Look at this. Look at fucking Ascari over here. He's just got a fucking like half gallon of milk. What's up, Ascari?
Man, who the fuck pulled it?
Oh, I thought it was you, Ascari.
Fuck that shit. You think I would have wrapped my own sleeve? Where the fuck is he? The
I thought that you might have thought that was Bell.
Well, you look turkey.
Oh, hi, Boozy. I legit did not recognize you.
Oh, Boozy, you actually look younger this morning.
Yeah.
Man, that's what you need to do. You need to get up to fire alarms every morning. It's a secret to youth.
I have to congratulate you. I can't tell you how many early morning panels I've slept through that I wanted to go to. So it was so nice to reach this week.
Yeah, now you're awake, man. You're good.
All the early panels are gonna be lit this morning.
I know. I had like a nice alarm set for like 9:30, and I had gone to bed at like 3:30. So I was like, oh man, this is gonna suck. Well.
Yeah, I just went through my phone, turned off all my alarms because there's no point. I'm up.
I sure do.
Just by the way, is bullshit.
Probably do.
What are you doing?
Shimmering splendid.
If somebody's recording this, you're doing it wrong. Magic carpet.
A whole new world.
Think you need to go jump in that pool?
No,
Get
I don't
clean.
think I need to go swimming.
Get clean.
The bodysuit probably does need a wash, but I don't know if the pool is the best option for that.
And the smell of chlorine.
Well, that's a good smell.
Chlorine dog. But it might wash away all your splotches.
Chlorine-ing book dog.
Right here.
This is Beverly, the Canadian Eagle. And she enjoys pot stickers.
Pot stickers for Beverly!
I thought those were things that you like put in your bra to stuff.
Who's this? We should have thought of that.
Who's man?
Handler.
What did you name your character?
Adorable.
This is Elizabeth, and you're a unicorn kitty? Unicorn kitty!
Elizabeth, you should do this.
I got one. Oh. Dog catcher who just found out he got rabies.
I'll do that one.
You know, this was the job that I wanted my whole life. I just wanted to work with animals. And I just ended up having to bring them to a place where a lot of them got put to sleep. And I deserve this. I deserve this.
You're in animal hell where all the animals you put down are now coming back at you at the afterlife? Because you got rabies? Because you have...
Dog catcher with rabies.
Oh, dog catcher.
Wrong heads again.
Huh?
Wrong heads again.
Yeah. Look, now you guys don't know who I am.
Nope.
Not at all, right?
Nope, I guess I'll just go find the person I'm live streaming.
Oh, wait. No, I'm good. I'm good. You can see me. I'm good. Oh, look at these. Look at these star ones. Look at that. That's so fun, isn't it? Look at this. And look at this little mini hockey stick. Little mini hockey stick.
It's a little floppy.
We got a lot of Star Wars music going on here. Oh, guys,
Disney will get you.
meet me in the penalty box.
Flip it around.
Oh, meet me in the penalty box.
Well, I've done the drive from Phoenix to Las Vegas. Phoenix is about 2 hours north of Tucson.
Yeah.
And I've done that drive, and I can usually do it in like 4 hours, four and a half hours to Las Vegas.
Legally, you're not supposed to.
I don't know. Oh, here's another town in Arizona that you actually go by on your way up to Las Vegas. It's called Nothing. And you know what's there?
Nothing.
Nothing at all, except a sign that says Nothing Arizona. And yeah, so there's another fun. Yeah, because I think the further west you go in the United States, like they just gave up trying to name things.
Here's the thing. It's like the people of Oregon. Once you get to Oregon, the game's over.
Yeah.
You get there and like half the people are dead and you're like, fuck it, we're stabbing here.
Yeah,
I don't
just
wanna
like
go
whatever,
anymore.
it's fine.
There we go. I came back and I got the gift. This is ridiculous. Oh wait, yeah, that's. I'm not gonna be able to see.
Alright, 1, 2, 3.
There's so many here. I know. I know the people that Amanda. Thank you. Thank you. I'm so sorry. I just gotta do it.
Nice. Cool couple.
Huh?
Let's go.
Spotted cow, it's Wisconsin beer. Am I allowed to drink and walk on the sidewalk, or is that?
I don't know.
It's good beer. It like doesn't taste like shit. That is a payout.
Friendly cat now. But what was happening was every time I picked it up, it was just letting it go, and then the machine had gotten to a money where it just held on and didn't let go. This is actually my first win from an e-claw machine, so it's pretty exciting. How's that?
Perfect.
Oh, it's Say hi. Oh, hey, everybody. I want to go take a picture right now.
Oh, waking up. Sometimes when I come here, like, people actually come to the window. They look very sleepy right now.
Yeah, but
You see them out there on camera?
Mm-hmm.
Very sleepy. They're all sleeping in a big old pile.
where's my iPad, Mom? What was it?
Yeah, they're very sleepy. Take a picture.
I'm trying.
That's okay. We're good.
Good idea.
You've got a leaf in your hair. Oh. Here, you're gonna move it for you. There you go. I'm gonna turn around too. This is my Halloween costume. I wanted to go and be them for Halloween.
You want gloves on?
Because they're awesome.
No? Okay, sit down.
Man, look at that thing hanging on there. Like seriously, get this on camera. Look at this thing just hanging off of here. It's like levitating. It's like David Blaine levitating.
Defying gravity.
Yeah, it is. It is defying gravity.
Defying gravity, they'll never bring us down.
I'm gonna grab my purse so I can actually pay for this delicious food. And oh man, you guys ready for the big reveal? Oh my God, it's canes! Ah! They're not hyenas. Very important to know, not hyenas.
Animal carcasses are delivered on a zip line.
What? When do they get fed? I think it's at like 2. No, here, you zoom in and out with your pinch. Go, what? Rated RL for real life. Real. I hope you're having a great day, and if you're not, I hope this made it a little bit better. I'm coloring the dog, and this was on camera.
Hide your children. What? And our audience is certainly rated R.